And sources have said the King has undergone his treatment for an enlarged prostate and is doing well. King Charles was seen entering the London clinic this morning with the Queen at his side, the same hospital, of course, where the Princess of Wales is also being cared for after abdominal surgery. And let's speak now to our royal correspondent, Cameron Walker, who is outside the London clinic. Cameron, some great news here. The King seems to be doing well.
Yeah, he certainly does, Martin. I've had it confirmed by a source in the last few minutes that the King has undergone that treatment, as you said, and is doing well, which perhaps translates in Queen Camilla's face when she left the hospital around half an hour or so ago. She was all smiles, didn't answer any questions from the media when she got into her car and drove off. However, she did seem like she was in pretty good spirits. Of course, we've known for about a week or so, haven't we, that the King was due to have this treatment for an enlarged prostate, and since then the NHS website has exploded, and the King wanted to encourage other men his age to seek support and treatment if they're experiencing perhaps similar symptoms. Buckingham Palace released a statement this morning where they said His Majesty would like to thank all those who have sent their good wishes over the past week and is delighted to learn that his diagnosis is having a positive impact on public health awareness. Well, the King and the Queen left Clarence House this morning and arrived here at the London clinic. But before the King underwent his treatment, they visited another member of the royal family in this hospital, and that is the Princess of Wales, who underwent abdominal surgery at the beginning of last week. She's expected to be in hospital for at least a few more days. It's actually quite rare that members of the royal family meet each other or visit each other in hospital, but perhaps the fact that the King and the Queen were coming here anyway, then you might as well see your daughter-in-law while you're at it. And also it does signify the bond perhaps and the unity between those senior members of the royal family. The King was keen this week to get in some last-minute private engagements, so he met a couple of people, one director of University of Cambridge and one science professor at Sandringham last night before he travelled down to London ahead of his surgery at the London clinic. He also was filmed with the Queen earlier this week lighting a candle for Holocaust Memorial Day. But of course, from now on, he's obviously in hospital having undergone this surgery. He's had treatments. The immediate engagements have either been cancelled or postponed. The Queen obviously was in hospital, has left to go back presumably to Clarence House. The Prince and Princess of Wales are still out of action for some time, so there are no senior working members of the royal family, I should say, currently undergoing any engagements at the moment.
Okay, Cameron Walker, thank you for that positive news. And from everybody here at GB News, get well soon, His Majesty. Thank you very much.